Hello friends, in today's video we are trying to talk about the main important aspects for ASRB NET 2025 on the specific domain of food technology. Here we are trying to keep about the syllabus discussion. Along with that, what could be the key important tricks? Whole syllabus we are able to revise the syllabus. What are the key important tasks which are there in the syllabus? So all the things which are there for the ASRB NET 2025. Okay, here is the notification. अब इस notification में clearly देख लीजिए where we are talking about the notification starting from 22nd April 2025 till 21st May 2025 और यहाँ पे when we are talking about the test is the computer based test. CBT test is there in which the examination of NET along with the ARS pre-examination is also going to there, which is definitely on the dated are within the purview of 2nd to 4th September 2025. ठीक है? Now let's discuss some of the key important topics for the same. और यहाँ पे जब बात आती है topics की, the most important first topic is the introductory about the food technology. What is the domain of food technology? How this domain is important? What are the key concept for the same? अब यहाँ पे देखिए nothing but the first one, introductory to the field, the food science, food technology applications and importance in India. Second, the food attributes, nothing but the important set of parameters, color, texture. With the help of that, we could say it is the distinguished commodity from the other source. Then food spoilage, it is nothing but the way by which now food is not able to have the safety issues or it has the safety issues. It has certain deteriorating factor with that. Okay, so there could be chances of contamination, and along with that foodborne illnesses when it has the direct impact on our health. Then principles, so this is the key. When we're talking about the principles and methods of food preservation, keep into mind this is the key. Here we can use a lot of technologies where we could reduce the temperature, increase the temperature, even not only this, dehydration, freezing, fermentation, high pressure processing, heat processing, and number of techniques are there, for which the base book could be the Food Science by Potter or even the Srivastava book. Okay, some of the emerging technologies in which thermal as well as non-thermal technologies, most importantly high pressure processing, it could be there, even the ozonation. Okay, that is one of the techniques. Even the pulse electric field, cold plasma, supercritical fluid extraction, these are the most important things. और यहाँ हमें ध्यान क्या रखना है, the basic application first thing, where it is used. ठीक है, what is the basic principle of the application and the particular industry where it is applied in practical approach. So ये important aspects हमें ध्यान रखना है for the introductory of the food technology point of view. Let's move further. Okay, let's move further. Here we deal with the some of the next topic, that is nothing but the technology of food with concept to the plant origin. क्या origin है plant? Nothing but fruits and vegetable. What are the important things? When actually we are collecting the fruits and vegetable from the, we could say, harvesting, at that time minimal processing is required. Okay, it could be the waxing, it could be the, we could say, sorting, grading, cleaning. So these are important point of view. Thermal processing, even not only this, canning की भी सभी techniques. What are the exhaust, what is the meaning of exhausting, what is the specific time temperature for the same. Okay, juices, beverages, preserves, pickles, sauces, chutney. और यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है, we have to know about the specifications for everything. Everything means what? If we're talking about the ketchup, then what is the specification in terms of the pulp, bricks, TSS, or even the acidity? Like this way, jam, jelly, marmalade, all the things, convenience food, tomato, even not only this, हम यहाँ पे प्यूरी की भी बात कर सकते हैं, concentrated form of the source. Beverages, specifically plantation crops. Tea, coffee, jute. Okay, spice processing, even that also what are the major spices, what are the minor spices, what could be the specific set of steps by which we are able to identify or determine essential oils. Even cereal grains, specifically cereal grains में cereal or we could say Kent, the main book for this is the Kent. Okay, cereal का structure, composition, milling process, even the Jodhpur University CFTRI milling process, whole processes are there. Then pulses, importance of pulses, processing, utilization, even most importantly, what are the associated anti-nutritional factors and what are the methods by which we are able to eliminate the anti-nutritional factor. Even oilseeds extraction method byproducts, millets, as 2023 is the International Year of Millet, and plants based some of the dairy alternatives. So that could be the some of the key important points we have to associate here. Fine. Like way जैसे हमने plant based के बारे में बात की, now the animal based origin. So with consent to that, major focus is on the milk production. Even the not only production processing area, what is the actual production area 2023-24, per capita availability, per capita consumption, what are the trends for that, all things are there for the milk. Even the dairy plant operations specifically given in the book of Sukumar Day. Okay, outlines of dairy industry. Okay, milk products, all the products, even not only this, when we're talking about suppose simple example ghee, so 99.5% fat. Okay, so these could be the some of the key specifications. Butter हो गया, cheese हो गया, that we have to keep into account. Meat processing, slaughterhouse, deboning, cutting, quality factors. Even slaughterhouse में there are lot of steps. So what is the specific reason for every steps, that is to keep into account. Poultry, eggs, egg processing, even the fish processing. In egg processing, what are the preservation methods? That is again important from the animal origin point of view. Okay. Next could be the food quality management. So here some of the key quality constant came into act, where we're talking about how the degree of excellence came into act. इसी के तहत quality control, quality assurance, we could say QA, QC, what is the difference, what are the key components, what is the quality system, quality culture, then food plant sanitation and hygiene regulations. Now this is the key point. Currently, what are the key requirement for the industry that is there with concern to the proper hygienic regulations? So for that, even 2011 regulations, food safety standard regulations, keep into act. Then TQM, total quality management, HACCP, HACCP के how many steps, how many principles, what is the first principle, second, seventh, ये यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है. Along with that, codex standards. In codex standards, horizontal committee, vertical committees are there. Along with that, India is the part of codex since 1963. Okay, then food laws and regulations. So here, first of all, फूड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड एक्ट 2006, स्पेसिफिक सेक्शंस, FSSAI अथॉरिटी, ISO एंड ऑल सेट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल रेगुलेशंस. यहाँ पे एक ही रेगुलेशन हमें ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट विल बी रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड लाइसेंसिंग ऑफ फूड बिजनेस, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, देन सेंसरी इवैल्यूएशन एंड सम ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक्स. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेंसरी इवैल्यूएशन, in which the majorly important sensory evaluation techniques could be the hedonic scale, paired comparison, Diotrio, even the triangle test. Okay. Now, with concern to some of the engineering aspect or for the packaging and regulation, इसमें दोनों बात include की. Both are there. Unit operation, definitely specifically given well in the Brennan book. Grading, sorting, peeling, all set of things are there. Automations, currently there is a specific need for the automation concern. So how it is required and what is the purview for the same. Packaging material, whatever we are using, they should be of the food grade. And definitely what are the testing, box compression के exactly क्या क्या testing parameters लगेंगे. All the things are definitely important from the packaging material point of view. Though it could be the glass, though it could be the shipper, though it could be the carton, Even not only this, how we can classify the packaging: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Packaging trends. So currently, what are the specific trends? And most importantly, what could be the set of requirement should be displayed on the label? If we are talking about the nutraceutical food, what are the key requirements specified over there? Even not only this, what are the key requirements from the nutrition point of view? यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिए, we are talking about the RDA requirement. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, so the next topic could be the food microbiology and biotechnology. Here the key concepts of the microbiology and biotechnology keep into account, like fermentation. You know, not only fermentation, type of fermenter, and what are the key parts, and what is the key role for each part of the fermenter, even the bioreactor. Hurdle technology, where we can use, we could say more than two, or more than, we could say more number of technology we are using, so that the commodity could be sustained to the future. Okay, then biotechnology application in the food production, and finally food contaminations and safety, with concern to hazards, how we are trying to eliminate the hazards, control or do the same. So let's move ahead with concern to flavor technology, flavor composition and analysis, how it is important, flavor development, as flavoring component is a part of additive. So from that way, natural antioxidant कौन कौन से हैं, उसमें से flavor emulsions, what is the key role, what are the applications, and what are the key constituent जिसे हम flavor improve कह सकते हैं. Flavor encapsulation and stabilization, definitely they are again most important. यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखिएगा, देर आर की वी कुड से न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, और हर एक का स्पेसिफिक बायोरिएक्टर या हम जिसे कहते हैं बायोएक्टिव कंपोनेंट होता है, तो वो भी हमें यहाँ पे स्पेसिफिकली पता चाहिए. एंड इट इज डेफिनेटली फॉर द स्पाइसेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. At last, the topic is consumer science and food production. Okay. Okay, और इसमें consumer behavior and market trends, nothing but how we can analyze the psychology of the consumer. It is nothing but the consumer buying behavior. So it is the updated syllabus, product development process, starting from idea generation to the product, how product is actually developed, food and nutritional, even some of the nutritional disorder by which we are unable to get the product, unable to digest the product, functional properties of food, even the gelatinization of starch, emulsification, gel, sol emulsification, all the things are there. Therapeutic foods, organic foods, what is the requirement, what is the labeling requirement, what are the specific requirement, all are most important. Finally, some of the nutraceutical foods, functional food, even fortified food, that is specifically there, जहाँ पे specifically for the milk, even for the atta, even for the salt. Okay, so definitely these all are most important parameters. So that is the whole important, we could say 8 points are there, which could just we discussed about the whole things from first to 8. Introduction of food technology to the consumer sciences, ये यहाँ पे 8 important chapters आते हैं for the food technology ASRBNET syllabus. Now some of the key reference books. When you're talking about the key reference book, definitely Potter, followed by that F&B Preservation by the Srivastava, then Food Engineering Operation from the Benon, then Kent, Cereal Technology, and some of the other books. यहाँ पे Kramer volume 1st and volume 2nd, both books are there. Okay, now what could be the key strategy? So here keep it to account when we're talking about the key strategy. So definitely with concern to ASRB, the link is given in the description, that how we can able to track the same, how we can do the same. Free mock test is there. ये फ्री मॉक टेस्ट पूरे सिलेबस पे होगी, जो हमने अभी 8 टॉपिक देखे थे, सभी 8 टॉपिक्स पे फुल सिलेबस पे फ्री टेस्ट होगी. फॉलो बाय दैट सॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए 3 ट्रायल क्लासेस आर देयर, मतलब जो 8 इसके मतलब एक फ्री टेस्ट के अलावा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो 8 हमारे टॉपिक्स है, हर एक टॉपिक्स के हिसाब से वी कैन क्लब द टॉपिक्स इन द 3 इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट्स और उस पे भी आपके पेपर्स लिए जाएंगे. Enroll for the mock test. So what you have to do? So you have to enroll for the mock test, ट्रायल क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशंस, जो यहाँ पे 3 होंगे. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू एनरोल दिस. एंड एनरोलमेंट के लिए लिंक जो है गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन में आप उसकी लिंक देख लीजिए. डेफिनेटली इट इज ऑन द पोर्टल ऑफ फूडियारी वेयर नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज आर गिवन फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, बेटरमेंट ऑफ द प्रोफेशनल्स. एंड अवेलेबल कब से अवेलेबल होगा ये टेस्ट? फ्रॉम 21 मार्च से ये पोर्टल अवेलेबल होगा. Link is given in the description, so be with that, touch with that, and definitely the session will be useful to you. So that is with the ये हमारा आज का पूरा सेशन रहा, and definitely it will be useful to you. Okay, thank you.